Hello, my little mathematicians. We are going to quickly review the basics of graphing. So when you graph, they give you an X and a Y coordinate. X is always first, Y is always second. The first number tells you to go right or left. The second number tells you to go up or down. Okay. So if you have a positive X, that means you would go right. If you have a positive Y, well, what makes sense? Up or down for positive? Up. If you have a positive X or a negative Y, which way do you think you would go? Well, positive is right or left. What do you think? Yeah, to the right. If you could choose between up and down, what do you think a negative would be? Down. And if you have a negative X, positive Y, what do you think? What direction would you go? Well, when deciding right or left, negative, like a number line, is to the left. And then up or down, where do you think positive is? Up. Okay, what if you have negative X, negative Y? Which directions would you go? Well, right or left, if it's negative, you should go left. And up or down, if it's negative, you would go down. Okay, and so you're going to follow those rules when graphing points. What they would do is they would give you points like this and then ask you to graph them. So for the very first one, it says 5, 10. Well, the first number is right or left, right? Remember, right or left is first, and then up or down is second. So do you think the 5 is 5 to the right or 5 to the left? Yeah, it's positive, so 5 to the right. And then 10 is positive, so 10 up or down? Hopefully you said 10 up. Okay, for the next one, that was J. Now we're going to do I. It's 1, 9. So they're both positive, so that would be right and up. H is 6, negative 9. So which way should I go for the 6? Yeah, to the right. And which way should I go for the 9? Well, it's up or down and it's negative, so hopefully you said down, and that would be H. This one is negative 6, 8. So when deciding right or left, a negative means, yeah, to the left. And then the second number is up or down. If it's positive, you got it. You should go up that much. And we label that G. 9, 0. Okay, so right or left, it's positive. So 9 to the right. And then 0 means up or down, nothing. So I don't move up or down anything. I just stay right there at the 9. This one is negative 6, 0. So this time I'm going to go left 6, but up nothing. That would be E. Okay, negative 8, negative 4. If you haven't tried any, why don't you try that one? Hopefully you went to the left 8 because it's negative, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4 because it was negative 2. Okay, the next one, it's positive 5, so to the right 5, and then 0, so up nothing. Negative 1, negative 1. Well, it's left and down, so left 1, down 1. And that would be B. Okay, negative 8, negative 1. Which way do you think? Left 8, down 1. Now, if you haven't paused the video at all and should try them yourself, why don't you do so for this whole set? Why don't you pause it, try them, and then turn it back and check yourself? Okay, so now that you tried them, you pause the video, you tried it, you unpaused it, you're back with us. It's 7, 10, so I'm going to go 7 to the right and then up 10. 0, 4, I'm going to go over nothing this time because right or left, it says right or left, nothing. And then up, because it's positive, 4. To the left, because it's negative 1, and then up 10. Negative 6, negative 6. So left 6 and down 6. And I would label that as D. 10, 0. So that means 10 to the right and up nothing. because the second number tells you up or down, and it tells you to go up or down nothing. Okay, then the next one, it's positive, so to the right, 9, and positive again, so up 7. -3, -4. So I'm going to go left 3, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, it's negative, so right or left. Yeah, left. And then it's negative again, so up or down. Down 9. Okay, 4, 1. If it's positive, you should go which way? To the right, 4. And then it's positive again, so up 1. And finally, which way 7? Yeah, to the right because it was positive. And which way 9? Down because it was negative. And those are your points. So they could either ask you to graph them. So they gave me the coordinate point and I graphed them, or they already provide the points and then I need to say what the coordinate point was. So for A, it went to the left, so that would be negative. And how many left did it go? 10. And it went up, how many? 1, 2. B is right here. It went right, so positive. How many right? 6. And then up, so positive again. How many? 10. C was to the left, so negative. And left how many? 8. And down, so negative. Down how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Okay, why don't you try to label the rest and then pause the video, unpause it, and come back and join us when you think you have them. Okay, so you just unpaused it, and now you're going to check your answers. D was to the left, -8. And then it went down, so negative again. How far down did it go? Also 8. E is over here. It went to the right, so positive. How many right did it go? It went 1 to the right. And then down, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, so -5. F went to the right, 1, 2, and down 1, 2, 3, 4, so -4. G is over here. It went left. In between 6 and 8 is 7, so -7. And up right here to the 8. H went to the right, 2. And up in between 4 and 6 is 5. I went to the right, so positive, 8. And down, so negative, down twice. And finally, J. It went left, so negative. And it went left all the way to 7. And then down, so negative again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all there is to it. Okay, first number always tells you right or left. Second number always tells you up or down. If it's a 0, like look at this one. First I go right 10 and then up nothing. So right 10, up nothing. Versus if that's at the second number 0, if the first number was 0, like B, then that means you go right or left nothing. So I don't move anything, and the second number is up or down, so I'd go up 4. So see the difference between B and E? B was on the y-axis, and E was on the x-axis, because I didn't move up or down anything for E, and for B, I didn't move right or left anything. All right, hopefully now you feel a lot more comfortable graphing on the coordinate plane.